Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Ring Indoor Cam Plus, a compact yet powerful indoor security camera designed to keep a close eye on what matters most. With sharp HD video, enhanced low-light clarity, and smart motion alerts, it helps you monitor your home in real time from anywhere. Whether you're checking in on family, pets, or your space while you're away, this camera delivers reliable performance in a small, easy-to-place design. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Ring Indoor Cam Plus. Privacy cover attached to the camera. 10-watt USB-A power adapter. 6.5 feet USB-A to micro USB charge cable. Install hardware. Setup guide. Warranty and safety document. Security sticker. Technical specifications. The Ring Indoor Cam Plus features a compact, plug-in design with an adjustable swivel mount and removable privacy cover, available in white and black. It records in sharp 2K resolution with color night vision, powered by a 2K retinal image sensor, with low-light sight for clear detail even in dim conditions. With a 115-degree horizontal field of view and smooth performance up to 30 frames per second, plus 4 times digital zoom, you won't miss important moments. It offers infrared night vision, two-way talk with noise cancellation, and a built-in siren for added security. The camera connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and works seamlessly with Android and iOS devices through the Ring app, along with Alexa-enabled devices for smart control. Cloud storage is available through a Ring Protect subscription, and it's powered by a USB-C adapter with cable, designed strictly for indoor use in temperatures ranging from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius. Product features. The Ring Indoor Cam Plus delivers ultra-clear 2K resolution video, capturing sharp detail and vibrant, true-to-life colors. Even in low-light or nighttime conditions, its low-light sight and enhanced color night vision ensure you can see every corner of your room in color, not just black and white, making monitoring more accurate and reliable. With its two-way talk feature, you can speak directly to family members, pets, or visitors from anywhere using your smartphone. The built-in siren adds an extra layer of protection by deterring intruders or alerting others in emergencies, all controllable remotely through the Ring app for complete peace of mind. This camera seamlessly integrates with Alexa-enabled devices and the Ring app, giving you full control of your home security. Receive instant motion alerts, view live video streams, replay recorded events, and customize motion detection zones and privacy settings, ensuring monitoring is tailored to your home and lifestyle. App connection. Start by downloading the Ring app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the app and either sign into your existing Ring account or create a new one. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are turned on, as these are required for the setup process. In the app, tap Set up a device and select Security Cams, then your cam from the list. Scan the QR code or a Mac ID barcode found on the back of your Ring cam or in the packaging. Follow the in-app prompts to give your device a name and specify its location in your home for better organization and alerts. The app will guide you through connecting the cam to your Wi-Fi network. If a firmware update is needed, allow it to complete automatically. Once the setup is finished, test the live view and motion alerts to make sure video, audio, and notifications are working properly, ensuring your camera is ready to keep your home secure. How to install. Start by inserting the USB-C power cable firmly into the back of the indoor cam. Push it in until it sits securely in place. The connector should feel snug and slightly recessed when properly connected. If you notice slight resistance, gently wiggle the plug while applying light pressure to ensure it is fully seated for a stable power connection. Next, connect the power adapter to a standard wall outlet near your desired installation spot. Make sure the outlet provides consistent power and avoid using loose or unstable sockets. Once plugged in, the camera will power on automatically, indicating that it's ready for positioning. For tabletop use, simply position the camera on a stable, flat surface with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. For wall mounting, remove the base using a Phillips head screwdriver, reattach it to the back of the camera with the up arrow facing upward, secure the mounting bracket to the wall using the included screws, then slide the camera onto the bracket and plug it in. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. The Ring Indoor Cam Plus has a compact plug-in design with a durable polycarbonate body, flexible swivel mount, and removable privacy cover for indoor use. The Wyze Cam V3 features a smaller, weather-resistant body with a magnetic base, making it suitable for both indoor and sheltered outdoor placement. Ring Indoor Cam Plus records in 2K resolution, with color night vision and a 115-degree horizontal field of view. Wyze Cam V3 captures 1080p, full HD video with color night vision and a slightly wider 130-degree diagonal field of view, offering broader coverage. Ring stores footage securely in the cloud via a Ring Protect subscription and connects easily over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for reliable performance. Wyze Cam V3 offers cloud storage, optional micro SD local storage, and connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, providing flexible options for different smart home setups. Pros and cons. The Ring Indoor Cam Plus stands out with its sharp 2K video resolution, delivering crisp detail and vibrant color night vision, even in low light conditions. It features two-way talk with noise cancellation and a built-in siren, adding both communication and security in one compact device. The wide field of view, digital zoom, customizable motion zones, and seamless Alexa integration make it a strong smart home companion, while its compact design with a swivel mount and removable privacy cover allows flexible indoor placement. However, it does rely on a Ring Protect subscription for full access to cloud storage and advanced features, and it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. There's no local micro SD storage option, no battery backup since it requires constant USB-C power, and it's designed strictly for indoor use. So while it delivers strong video quality and smart features, it may not be ideal for users looking for outdoor capability or subscription-free recording. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.